Good morning. Myself Niyati Dhaduk. Subject is PT in Ortho. My today's topic is ganglion. Ganglion clinical features and management. Definition of ganglion. A ganglion is site of non-cancerous fluid-filled swelling that typically develops along the tendons or joints of wrist or hands or joints or hands. It can also occur in the ankles and feet. Mainly that will be occurs in wrist, like joints and tendons of the wrist. This place they can occur. Clinical features. First is location. Location is commonly occur on the dorsal aspect of the wrist. Appearance smooth, round and oval lump, typical less than 2.5 centimeters in diameters. Consistency firm and fluctuant. Mobility freely mobile under the skin but fixed to deeper tissue. Clinical features. Fifth, pain. Usually painless but can cause discomfort or pain if pressing on the nerve. If we can press the here, they can paining or discomfort occur. Fluctuation. Positive fluid filled nature. Transillumination. Positive due to cytic nature. Size variation may increase in size with activity and decrease with rest. If you can active, that time that will be increasing. If you can rest, that will be decreased. Management. First we can observe if asymptomatic and not causing function issue. Regular monitoring. We can regular monitor to ganglion. Non-surgical. Immobilization with splint or brace. Aspiration, draining to sites with a needle often recurs. Surgical. Indicated is painful, recurrent or causing cosmetic concerns. Complete excision including the stroke to reduce recurrency. Alternative therapies. Ultrasound, guided aspiration with steroid injection. Physical therapy, post treatment to rest. Thank you.